Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. It is my birthday week and I have a few fun things that I'm doing this week before my birthday, and a friend of mine is coming in. She is Rahel. She's been on my channel a couple times in the past and of course on my Instagram, so you might be familiar with who she is, and she's coming into town on Thursday, actually on my birthday, and her birthday is the day after mine, so we usually do some sort of like joint birthday celebration, so that's what we're doing this week. And I thought that I would just bring you along my daily activities because I have a few things that I will be doing this week. I am about to go vote in probably an hour here. And until then, I think I'm going to clean out my makeup because I've been going through all of my like PR that I've kind of had over the past year or two, and whatever I'm not using is actually going to be sold for donation. Michaela and I are having another sip and shop next week. We did one of these 2 years ago. I think it had to have been in 2019 because there was no COVID, so we're doing that again. Basically, we're doing a closet sale. So we're going through all of our closets, which I actually just did in my previous video. So I have all of that pretty much ready to go, and a couple other little things that I need to go through, like shoes and all that, and we're gonna be selling them. And I have a bunch of like unused PR stuff that I will be adding at the sale. Any of the money that we get from anything that was gifted to us, it's all like by donation, so that money is going to probably go to the BWSS again. That's the organization that we donated to the last sip and shop that we did. Tomorrow I have a Hydra Facial appointment at Loki's Laser for my birthday. I'm obsessed with Hydra Facials. They're probably my favorite treatment to get done anywhere. Okay, so I think now I'm going to start going through all of my makeup before I have to go vote, and I will just quickly show me doing some of that. I feel like there's still a lot of stuff in there, but it just looks way more organized, I guess. I don't know. I just am really happy with how it looks. It's now a new day. I finished going through just one drawer of my makeup collection, but I actually got rid of a decent amount, but I do have my Hydrafacial now. I'm really excited. It makes your makeup go on so much smoother. That's why it's like really great to do before bigger events, because your makeup's gonna look a million times better. Like, it just takes away all of the like texture from your skin and makes it so smooth. So I'm really excited, and I'm gonna bring you guys in too. That's what came out of my skin. Gross. Does that say gunky?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love that. This is my favorite part, seeing my skin after a Hydra facial. It is like one of the most relaxing treatments ever, but it's so like deeply exfoliating and cleansing. And you saw the gunky that came out of my skin. I see a lot of people showing that after they get Hydra facials, and I think that was like one of the first times that I've actually looked at what the water was like afterwards. So it definitely like really deep cleans, and my skin just like feels and looks so smooth. And I know that the next time I wear makeup, it's gonna be a huge difference, because the last few times that I've worn makeup, I've definitely noticed a real change in the texture and like just more roughness and bumpiness to my skin. After I get Hydrafacials, it's always like literally brand new skin. And it was the same after I got that laser like resurfacing treatment. It was the more gentle version, and it was very similar to afterwards. But with this, you go out looking immediately like glowy and dewy and really smooth skin texture. I just love it. It's amazing. Look how smooth and glowy it is. I'm obsessed. Got myself an iced chai latte, which I have not had in a long time. I've been going really hard on the pumpkin foam cold brews, and I felt like I should probably give that a bit of a rest. I wanted to show you these things. It's called eye tape, and this is what a lot of people with hooded eyes use to give themselves a crease. You'll usually find these in like Japanese dollar stores or beauty stores, and these are actually really awesome to use if you have uneven eye creases. So years ago, I used these to actually even out my eye creases, and it basically caused like a wrinkle in one eyelid so that it was higher up than the other one. I would only use these on one eye, and I would do it like while I was at home throughout the day. I didn't really wear it out. Sometimes I did if I was just like going to pick up food or something, but it actually really works. And when my eye eczema started happening, it kind of got rid of that like second crease. So I am actually going to start doing that again. These ones look really nice because the ones that I had were like double-sided tape, so it was sticky on both sides, which I didn't want. So I ended up powdering one side so that it didn't look like it was sticking like my crease together. I just wanted it to basically cause like a new crease to develop. These ones look like they're kind of felty on one side and obviously sticky on the other. Right now it just looks like a giant band-aid, but these are actually really tiny strips, like already pre-cut, and you just apply it to one of your eyelids or both, whatever it is that you want. You can use it as actual eyelid tape, how it's intended to create a crease, but I like to do it because I like to even out where this eye crease is. My camera battery is about to die, so I'm gonna head home. All right, I'm going to show you how I like to use this eyelid tape. This is what this one looks like, and it is like a soft felt feeling on the outside, which is really nice. Usually I would just take a pair of tweezers to get one of the eyelid strips off, and obviously make sure that there's nothing like too oily going on your eyelid. And then I would just kind of open my eyes and compare the two creases. Like on this side, the crease of my eye ends a lot higher and shorter, so that to me means that I need to basically have a higher crease on this side, which is really weird and no one's gonna notice. It's my own little thing that I notice about myself. Hello. Hi, Luna. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but this eyelid crease ends a lot higher than where this eyelid crease ends. Literally no one else cares. It's my own thing, and this is what I discovered years ago really works. There's a reason why people created these. So basically, I will look straight and I'll follow pretty much the part where my crease starts in the inner corner, but I will lift the edge up a bit. It's almost invisible when it's on. I actually really like these. These are way better than the ones that I used years ago. I wore these for months at a time these ones, I got 2 packs of these ones. I got them from Umomo, and there are, it says 32 strips, I guess, but that's like 32 on each side. So there's 64, and since I only need to use it on one eyelid, or I only want to use it on one eyelid, it's going to last me a really, really long time. And I'm not kidding. It actually did work for a very, very long time. And I think that I just needed to do like a little booster session of this eyelid tape, and I'm really impressed with this one because it has like a skin-like texture on the other side, so it doesn't look like a shiny strip of tape on your eyelid. This is something that I would probably be comfortable wearing out in public and not really have anyone notice, especially if I'm like wearing glasses or something. Totally random little like beauty hack, but I swear it works. Good afternoon. It is now Wednesday. I had a really, really fun dance class last night, and I'm actually quite sore today, so I am taking it pretty easy. I have a video that I need to get filmed. It is a sponsored video, so I'm going to try to get that done as quick as possible today, and later I have a podcast recording. I doubt I'll actually be leaving my house today aside from walking Luna, so there's not a whole lot that I will be able to film. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'm very excited. I know that I'm definitely getting a Starbucks pumpkin foam cold brew because I am seriously addicted, and I will get it free for my birthday. Lately, I've also been thinking about getting an agent to do some like small acting stuff because I live in Vancouver and so much is filmed in Vancouver. I've done like a little bit of just background work and I thought it was really cool, so I don't know, I might get an agent and see how that goes, but I need to take some headshots and I might do those myself. I might do that today. It is starting to clear up and get sunny, so maybe I'll do that after I film that video since I have some makeup on and have my hair done. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how long this video takes to film, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and I will keep you posted on what I decide to do. Okay, so I got my sponsor video filmed. I also took some headshots. I have about 10 minutes before my podcast starts, so I figured I would share some of my favorites from the little photo shoot I did on my tripod. Just gonna scroll through some of my favorites. They look pretty good, I'd say, for trying to take some headshots on a tripod. I just have to edit them. I don't really like that one. That one was inside, but I just have to edit them now. And yeah, hopefully they look good. It's my birthday today. It's already 4:23. I actually spent most of the day editing that sponsored video that I had to get done yesterday. And a friend of mine ordered some food from a local place, like some treats, and got it delivered to my house this morning, which was so nice. I had a delicious mango coconut smoothie and some cute little macarons. The lemon one was delicious. And then I got lunch with my dad. We had sushi. My mom was working, so she couldn't come to the lunch, but that's totally okay. I got some really nice Starbucks. My free Starbucks birthday drink, which was, of course, the pumpkin foam cold brew, the drink that I'm currently slightly addicted to. But I'm about to get ready for dinner, and we're going to Olive Garden, one of my favorite restaurants ever. I haven't been in a long time. Tomorrow is going to be the more exciting day. I am hanging out with my friend Rahel, who is coming in tonight, and we're having our joint birthday at a friend's house, and then we're going downtown to a place where we got like the back room of a restaurant. So we're gonna be hanging out in there. I can't do anything too crazy because I'm doing wedding makeup the next morning for a friend of mine, but I'm excited to bring you along to our little birthday celebration. So I'm just gonna get ready for dinner, and I will see you there. It is now Friday, which means it's this beautiful lady's birthday. Look at this outfit that she's wearing. Yes! happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. We're here at Leah Alexandra Spark Studio, and we're gonna get BFF
Bracelets that never come off.
Yeah, they never come off. She was like, wait, this actually like never comes off. I was like,
never.
No, it doesn't. So we're about to do it. So excited. These are our chains that we get to pick from. I think I like this one or this one. They're so cute. They're all so pretty. I think I want one of the like little gems on there too.
Let me do the walk.
Sure.
So were you guys thinking gold or silver?
Gold. I don't know what you want.
Gold? Okay.
It's this one.
I really like that one. I have a necklace that kind of looks similar to that chain as well, and I wear it all the time. Oh,
Oh my god. Like, don't ever take me anywhere. Yeah, this one. I love this one.
I like that one too.
And everything other than the three that I'm touching are sapphires and pearls, and they're $15.
Okay.
And then these three are diamonds, so they're $35, $55, and $175.
Okay.
This one I'm ready for.
Yeah,
What are you thinking? Do you think you're gonna get
I was just
gem?
trying to make it organized.
Yeah, 100%.
So they're yes. So they're all sapphires?
All sapphires except for the diamonds or the pearls.
Okay, cool.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get.
We can open them up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah, you're
I just like those two. Yeah.
Pick your favorite.
Oh, so pretty.
I'm gonna get this one.
I love that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah?
I
Any
like.
specific one?
Nope, just like whatever. Which one?
Whichever one works.
This is such a cool concept.
I know, right?
Okay, cool. Good.
Oh my god, I don't like making decisions. I can't do this.
Take your time, don't worry.
I decided.
Rael's like, I know exactly what I'm doing. Yeah,
That's probably
sure.
easier. Just flip it over.
Actually, you know what I should do? I should hold this
go
next
for
to
it.
them and see what will look the best. We literally booked this today. I was like surprised if there was any opening.
I think there was like a cancellation, and then it was just like normal.
Yeah. Yeah, it was like really convenient that worked. Yeah, I really like these. I think I'm gonna go with these.
The peachy one?
Yeah, the peachy one.
Did you try them on your skin?
No. How do I do that? Just like
Yeah, just put it on
top?
your wrist.
Oh, I love it. Oh, that looks really good on you too. That is, I love that color.
Oh my god, the right angle. Hold everything up.
Whoa. That's crazy.
Truly.
Hence why it's called Spark.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, what about the bracelets?
Thank you.
Let's see it.
This is such a great idea, Britt.
Right? Isn't that cute?
Make it work.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so cute.
For which one?
Nice. I'm so excited.
Cancel it for some reason.
The most amazing like, and then having to decide two lengths. Too much divide for me.
I'm just gonna deal with the next thing.
So cute.